Right, so sorry for the dark lighting. Move that back now. Just need my brother to come back from the shop and then I can measure it. It was 356, 358. I think it was mil. I think I'm probably wrong. But it was 358 centre point front, centre of the rear, and then it was 364 on that side, so that wanted coming back a bit. So let me get a torch. So if you look at the wheel arches, that one's central there, thereabouts. Don't actually go off the wheel arches because they're probably off anyway. This one's certainly off. If you look at that one, looks like it's further forward. But if you look, virtually central. I think we're a little bit further forward on that wheel, but I can't get it any better than what it is, but it's certainly better than what it was. Because it was making the bed crooked. Right, I'm doing the transit at the minute. The back axle moved back 4 inches. So I've jacked it up, brake pipe's disconnected, brake cables are disconnected, load sensing valves disconnected, dropped it down on the jack, loosened the U-bolts, pushed the axle forward. So now I've got to measure central of the wheel, make sure they're level both sides. And we should be alright. Got them like Mark 1. My creation of rear lights so it would pass the MOT. Because we ended up, or at least when my brother was doing the recoveries, he had a customer help him with pulling the ramps off and he smashed one of the lights. So they're new rear lights, new number plate. He did crash it. I don't think you've probably seen it. So that was the new bonnet on. I've got the grille for it that just wants painted. Need a bumper. I've got the new number plate in the van. Got some new locks set to go on it. So yeah, that's where we're up to. Put a new starter on it this morning. There is an earth problem on it, so that wants doing. So me bodge this morning to get it going after I put the starter on was earth clamp there and an earth clamp there. I've got some new earth cable, so I'll do that. It is the turbo version.